Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher, Miss Amara from Pakistan School Muscat, and I welcome you all in mathematics class of grade 4. I hope, my dear students, you all are fine. So, dear students, our today's topic is about the addition and subtraction of units of length. As in our previous lesson, we had learned about the conversion of units of length, that how we can convert one unit to another unit. So today we have to learn that how we can add and subtract the units of length. So let's start learning. But before that, let's go through the objectives of our today's lesson. After this lesson, students will be able to describe units of measurement. We shall be able to add and subtract units of measurement. So, dear students, while we add or subtract the units of length, we can add or subtract it easily. But we can add or subtract similar units of length, that is, kilometers are added to kilometers, meters are added to meters, and centimeters are added to meters. We cannot mix the units of length. Let's learn by using some examples. So here you can see that we have example, and we are going to add 43 meter, 25 centimeter and 15 meter, 16 centimeter. We can write the units in this way. We have to write meters under meter and centimeter under centimeter. So 43 meter and 25 centimeter. And the next number, 15 meter and 16 centimeter. Now we have to add it. Centimeter will be added into centimeters and meter will be added into meters. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 will be here and 1 will be carried forward. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we need to add the meters. So 3 plus 5 is 8 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So after adding, we get the answer as 58 meters and 41 centimeters. Let's have one more example. Here we have to find the sum of these three numbers, as we all know that sum means we need to add. Now we have to write the numbers under these units. The first number is 17 meter and 36 centimeter. We have to add 9 meter and 5 centimeter, 15 meter and 26 centimeter. Now we need to add 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 6 is 17 and 1 will be carried forward. Now 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Now we need to add meters. 7 plus 9 plus 5. It is 21. 2 will be carried forward. So 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So our answer is 41 meter and 67 centimeter. Next again, we have one more example about the sum of these three numbers. So here we are adding kilometer and meters. In the same way, we have to add kilometers and meters. So when we add the meters, we get as 587, and when we add the kilometers, we get as 295. So dear students, it's very easy to add the units of length. Now let's learn about the subtraction. Here we have an example in which we have kilometers and meters. So we have to subtract in the same way as we subtract the whole number simply. When we subtract the meters from meters, like 250 minus 115, what do we get? Yes, we get 135. And when we subtract 810 minus 625, what do we get, my dear students? Yes, you all are trying to subtract. So we are getting as 185. So what is our final answer? 185 kilometers and 135 meters. So in this way, you can subtract the units of length. As we know that the difference means we need to subtract. So here we are going to subtract the meters and centimeters. We have to list down the numbers under the units. So we have to subtract 64 minus 29. What do we get after subtraction? Yes, we get it as 35. And here we have to subtract 90 minus 58. What do we get when we subtract these two numbers? Yes, 32. So dear students, what is our final answer that we get after subtraction? 32 meter and 35 centimeter. Dear students, just you have to keep it in your mind that you cannot mix the units while you are adding or subtracting. You have to use the same units. I hope you understood about this. Now it's a time for practice because perfection always starts with mistakes. So no need to worry from the mistakes. Thank you all of you, my dear students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.